Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go first.
What's going on, guys? We got a 2016 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat up for grabs. It's a lightly driven, original owner vehicle. It has 2,550 original miles on it. So it's in excellent shape, guys. It's got some nice goodies added to it. We'll go over that in a second. These are 707 horsepower right from the factory. You get a black key and a red key. The red key unleashes all the horsepower, tons of fun. And that's that. If you've been enjoying our videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll get notified every time a new one gets posted. You don't want to miss out trying to buy these cars. They go quick. For the full write-up description and photo shoot, not only on this car, but we have a couple hundred, both modern muscle and classic cars, you can visit volocars.com. You'll see a whole inventory on there. We got new inventory popping in every week, guys. It's hard to keep up, but we do it. So make sure you visit volocars.com. But let's take a look at this Hellcat for now. All right, like I said, one owner, lightly driven. This is in the black on black, guys. The Dodge announced, or I should say Mopar announced recently, for the Hellcat engines, 2023 is going to be the last year of production. So whatever's out there, that's it, guys. They're not making them anymore. They're starting to get higher miles on them. It's hard to find them in lower miles. If you go order a new one, it's going to take 6 months to a year before you can even get it. This one is loaded at a, let's see, base price was $72,000 on it. It's got some nice cosmetic upgrades on it. The rear louvers were added. It does have the aero package, so you get the rear spoiler. I do like the 2016 versus the 15. They updated the taillights on them, so they're split. The very first model had the original taillight, one piece going all the way across. All the paint's in pretty fantastic shape. It polished real nicely. There's, you know, a couple little surface scratches here and there, but nothing that can't get buffed out. I haven't found any major damage on here. SRT wheels are painted specifically in the matte black. They're wrapped in a high-performance Pirelli tire, guys. They have hardly any driven miles on them. They are in excellent shape. All the doors, the paint's all good on them. There's a tiny little scratch on the mirror. That might just be a mark that we'll wipe off. The front end, love the appearance on these. They just look very mean and aggressive. You got the front aero spoiler on it. The halo headlights, they are HID. There's actually a cutout right here. That's an intake, so the cold air will go through it. The upper and lower grills are air functional. Same with the hood scoop and the air vents on top. There is a big supercharger on top, so it's got to stay cool, guys. All the wheels are in really nice shape. There's no curb rash that I saw. Of course, you got that Hellcat badge here, letting people know you mean business. Yeah, the wheels are in fantastic shape. Underneath, we're looking at a dual mode, or I should say dual stainless exhaust. This one is re-geared. The differential has a 2.62 rear axle ratio in it, giving it a little more aggression. That way you can drive it. The trans, it's got an 8-speed automatic torque flight. If you don't know about the trans in these, they are an amazing thing. They self-tune, they self-shift. They adjust the shift points, I should say, depending on what mode you're in. You can put it in the Hellcat mode or the track mode. You got a sport mode in it. You use the red key. If you use the black key on it, it'll only unlock about 500 horsepower on it. So a little bit less. You don't have to use it to its full potential. Everything's in excellent shape underneath as well, having 2,500 original miles on it. It's clean. There's still factory markings and stickers on the suspension components. This thing's in really great shape, guys. But let's take a look at the interior. Interior here, we got the black Laguna leather premium interior package. So you get the Laguna seats and the Laguna premium leather. They are the SRT. They're black on black with the white stitching on them. They do offset it with kind of a carbon fiber overlay on the dash trim and then the center console here. Nice little touch. Feels like you're in a Mopar. We are using the red key right now, so it does show it in use up on the dash here. Everything's very customizable, guys. You can change how the display is integrated on here. You have all your controls on the steering wheels. The steering wheel is heated. Same with the seats. You get heated and cooled seats. Let's see if I can pull it up on here. There it is. All the different options. You got auto dimming mirrors. You have Uconnect. So the latest voice control system in here. You can connect your phone straight to it, guys. Pull up your navigation on here. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, stuff like that. You can change your climate control from up here or down here on the manual controls. When you use the red key, you can put it in SRT mode, guys, and change it from track mode to sport mode. You have a custom mode. You can change your transmission shift points, your traction setup on it for the suspension. It's just very, very customizable. This thing is loaded with it's got a lot for the money, that's for sure. These are a really good bang for your buck, especially for a track-ready street car. Let's take a look at the trunk now. All right, guys, coming into the trunk area here, everything's in excellent shape. The carpet's never been messed with, really. It smells brand new in here. Underneath, instead of a spare tire, you do have your air pump, the batteries back here. Part of the sound system are the two Harman Kardon subwoofers in the back here, so you do have the premium audio in this as well. This thing has a killer stereo system. We do have a box with some of the original documents and stuff like that in it. We have the original window sticker, guys. The owner's manual still wrapped in the plastic. Even the steering wheel cover. And if you are a true die-hard Mopar enthusiast, we have the front lip yellow plastic guards still in the box. Got some other literature from, just from owner's manuals and whatnot. List of options that came with it. So this does go with the car. The seats, the rear seats do fold down. It has a 60-40 split, so if you have to haul anything that's a little bit longer that doesn't fit in the trunk, fold the seats down, you're good to go, no problem. Now we'll take a look at my favorite part underneath the engine, or the engine bay. All right, guys, this is where it really impresses you. Dodge did a great job. Just the whole display in here. Everything's very nice and tidy. You don't have wires all over the place. You know, they do minimal plastic covers on stuff so you can still see the engine. You got that 6.2 liter supercharged V8 Hemi with the big massive SRT blower on top. It does have an enlarged throttle body intake, obviously for the performance. The intake box, there is a funnel. Like I said, it goes directly into the headlight here. So it gets that direct cool air, keeping this thing at top performance all the time. Everything's in excellent shape, guys. It's nice and new. Plastics are shiny. All the hoses are good. All the plastic wiring covers. Everything is in excellent shape. Looks like it has had some services done. They reprogrammed the PCM. They replaced the catalytic converter on here. There is a date code with the dealer that authenticates that, guys. So the owner of this car did upkeep on the maintenance. All right, guys. That was my impression of our 2016 Challenger Hellcat. This is an awesome ride. Best bang for your buck out of the factory muscle car that you can get, especially for the horsepower. If you're interested in purchasing this beast, you can visit our website, volocars.com. Click that Buy It Now button. It'll take you through the prompts. It'll put a deposit on it, secure the car for you. It will notify us, and we will be emailing you and setting you up. I can help with financing, shipping, right to your driveway, whatever you need. Or you can give us a call, ask for me, Caleb. I'd be more than happy to talk with you about it and set up options for you. And that's all I got for you. Thanks.